Volare Above the Clouds. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa videong ito. Alright, so si Above the Clouds, sabihin natin sa marketplace. So just a quick shout out to Brother Rome, alright, for the very quick and easy transaction for Above the Clouds. Alright, so usual price ni Above the Clouds is around 1,000 to 1,200 pesos, and as you can see, ang ganda ng kanyang presentation. Doon pa lang, panalo na tayo for that price. Now, si Volare Above the Clouds is a dupe of your Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim. Alright, so I don't have or haven't experienced Afternoon Swim, so this is just going to be a review of the perfume itself. Alright, so yeah. Now, again, as I said, presentation pa lang, kitang-kita nyo, parang ang ganda, grabe. May mga drawing ng clouds around the bottle or the box, right? And just a very simple branding in front. Okay, so bottle itself, let's open it. And while we're opening it, tingnan natin yung main accords sa Fragrantica. Sa Fragrantica, ang sabi, ang main accords niya is fresh, spicy, fresh, fruity, herbal, and terpenic. I don't know what that is, pero yun yung kanyang main accords. And ang kanyang notes, sabi yung kanyang notes, we have top notes of citrus, middle notes of ginger, bergamot, and then base notes of mandarin. Alright. So, bottle presentation, grabe. Ang ganda. Okay? Nasabi ko na sa review ko or sa first impressions ko ni Amazon Rainfall. Ganun yung bote. Parang LV na bote rin. Alright? And, let's see. Magnetic cap din siya. Alright? So, for the bottle itself pala, grabe. Panalo na tayo for that price. And, ang sabi ko rin, ang kapal no kanyang pop glass sa ilalim. Nung nahulog ko si Amazon Rainfall, hindi siya nabasag. Grabe, di ba? Alright, so, ganda, two-tone. Para siyang green, tapos blue, tapos, ayan, nag-iiba siya ng color pag na iilawan din siya. Alright. Now, the atomizer silver. Alright, so let's do 2 sprays on our right wrist. Let's see kung maganda ba yung atomizer. Medyo mahina yung atomizer niya. Alright. Tama lang naman pala yung buga. Yan. So, just have to press a little. Tama lang naman yung buga ng atomizer. Tamang volume yung lumabas. Alright. So, let's give a few seconds to let it dry down a little. And let's take our first sniff. Okay. Yun. Medyo amoy alcohol siya nung unang amoy ko sa kanya. Alright. Tapos lumabas na kagad yung mandarin na amoy. Okay, citrus, mandarin, and ginger, and bergamot. Okay, so, ang bango. Ang bango ng kanyang opening. Right, so, I think this would be something that you can wear on a daily basis if you're gonna go on errands, go to school, go to picnics, go to outings, go to the beach. Yan. So, something that you can definitely wear. Yung kanyang pagka-orange, alam nyo yung mga orange natin dito sa Pilipinas, yung mandarin orange talaga na mas orange yung color niya kaysa dun sa normal na orange na sinasabi natin. Paano nga ba yung color na yun? I think wala tayo ng ganang color. Let's see. Kasi ganito yung orange ng golden hour. Alright, if you can see, ganyan yung mandarin na sinasabi ko na color. Ayan. So, mas darker pala din actually. Mas darker yung mandarin na sinasabi ko na parang fruit na naamoy natin. Okay, so pag hiniwa mo yung mandarin orange na yon, ganun yung amoy na maamoy mo from this Above the Clouds perfume, yung opening niya. Okay, so something that I really like kasi more on citrusy yung mga perfumes na medyo natitipuan natin. So, yeah. Okay. So, yun na muna ating first impression for Above the Clouds. We'll go ahead and have this rest for the meantime. And then, we'll wear it for a full day and I'll give you my full review on that next video. Alright? So, thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you have any questions and suggestions, if you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. on your questions. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!